What's up, Amazon? Hey y'all, I brought this Pure a couple months back for my tractor trailer. I'm a truck driver. I do not use it in the 24 volt outlet. I use it for this power outlet here, 12 volt, 10 amp. But I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it looked like it's turning brown in the top. I'm not sure if that's safe or not. Can anyone tell me why it's turning brown like this? I seen one other person who bought it that had the same problem, but he said that it was this way before he got it. I never looked inside of it like that, but I could tell you it didn't look like this when I first got it. I don't know if that's burning or if it's just the design of it or what. If you understand it and you can help me, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.